Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. How do you call it? I would like to share this with you. It's a simple tutorial on how to kill old braids, guys. Braids are a timeless hairstyle that many of us enjoy very much. So guys, sometimes we may desire to change a new look. Curling your old braids can transform your hairstyle and add a touch of elegance and freshness, guys. So let's get started. So for the step one, I'm contemplating on curling this hair. So what I'm going to do the first step, what you need to do is to prepare your braids, guys. Prepare it first. Sorry, my toilet seat is showing, so sorry about that. So first, make sure that your braids are clean and dry. If necessary, gently wash and condition them to remove any product buildup or dirt, or any dust. Okay, once they are dry, guys, separate the braids into manageable sections. This will make it easier to kill each braid, my brothers and sisters. I know guys also get braids sometimes, so why not? So that is what I am doing right now. I finished washing. I'm braiding. I washed it yesterday, so today I'm braiding it into sections. So I'm going to hold every 6 pieces or individually, okay, and braid. So step 2, protect your hair before apply any heat to your braids. Oh, let me finish talking about step 1. Step 1, braid it. So I'm left with some few hair to braid, guys. So as you can see, I'm holding a lot of braids and braiding together. So I don't want the curls to come out too chunky. I just want it a bit loose. So that's what you guys are seeing. So I'm almost done with the braiding. Along the line, I felt my arms were hurting a bit, but guys, beauty, okay? If you want to be beautiful, you have to be ready for all the pains that comes with it. So guys, let's go. I'm almost done. So guys, let me be talking, okay? I think these days I'm enjoying the talking. The more YouTube you do, the more you get used to the talking. So I am moving to step 2. Before I apply, let me just talk about this. I haven't gotten to the heat side yet, but I will talk about it as we are getting close to the heat side, because it's late in the evening and I'm planning to sleep, wake up, and then do the heat. So right now I'm going to just be talking about things you need to do when you want to twist or change the style of your braids, your old braids that you already have. Mine is almost 1 month, but Charlie, I want to take it out, but I want to play with, I want to like play with it a bit, style it. So curling techniques, I'm going to teach you the curling techniques. There are few different methods that you can use to curl your braids. One simple technique involves using flexi rods or perm rods, like those days that we used to back home when we straighten our hair or when we perm our hair, those small rollers. But now there is this other one, but I'm using this method because that's the easiest one. Take a small section of the braids and wrap it tightly around the rods. But you know, as I've already said, I'm using this method already, so I'm just teaching you those ones, starting from the bottom and working your way up to the roots, my dear beautiful people. So secure the end of the braid to the rod to hold it in place. Repeat this process for each braid. So okay guys, I'm enjoying the moment. You know, when you are braiding your hair, you feel a bit pain in the shoulder, so I'm trying to release the pain a little bit. That's when you see me trying to dance. So I'm ready, I am done, but I'll still talk about the methods, guys. The methods is very important to me. So before applying any heat to your braids, guys, it's essential to protect your hair from damage, your natural hair. So you can see I only braided the hair from the tip to the top, but not close to my natural hair, because my natural hair is a bit short. Where the black, you can see from the where the black is starting from, those areas are my natural hair. I didn't dye my hair. So guys, so apply a heat protectant spray or serum to each braid. I used a spray. I used a normal olive oil spray to spray the entire hair up. I didn't use the serum. You can use the serum. You can use any product. You can even use shea butter, guys. Ensure even coverage. Okay, make sure it covers every part of the body. Okay, this will help minimize the potential for heat-related damage and maintain the health of your braids. Pananam. So I've spoken about step 1, step 2. So now I'm going to, now it's the next day, guys. This is where we are going to start everything. As you can see, I'm holding some products. So once all of your braids are wrapped around or braided, it's time to apply the heat, guys. I've already gotten my, you can see how hot it is over there. So that you can use a hair dryer on a low medium heat settings to gently warm the braids. Okay, hold the dryer about 6 to 8 inches away from the braids and move it in a circular motion. Okay, back and forth motion to distribute the heat. That is when you want to dry it. But now I'm teaching what to do when you have the rods and what to do when you braid it. Okay, so avoid applying excessive heat to prevent damage. For me, I don't really care. Okay, I don't really care about, this is braid and I'll be taking it out within a week, so I don't really care. Since my hair, my natural hair, is not close to that side, I don't really care about that. So as you can see, I'm dipping into the water. Guys. Okay, so guys, when we get to the cooling and setting it down, my dear, cooling and setting it down, what you need to do is allow the braids to cool completely before removing, before removing rods or before unbraiding it. But here I use a towel. So make sure the towel is big enough to cover or to hold in all the heat or the hot water. Okay, once the braids are completely cool, dry till they are cool. So I'm just quiet so we can watch how I'm doing it. I'm dipping them into the kettle to get every hair section into the hot water. The hot water actually helps cool it down, so don't worry about it coiling different way or curling different way. It will come out looking nice. So here I'm using the towel to dry it up. I'm not going to use a hair dryer, but you can use the, and I've seen people use the hair dryer, so you can also use the hair dryer. It's not bad at all. So so right now I am cooling it down. I finished cooling it down, so make sure the hair cools down. Okay, you can even speed up the cooling process by using a cool short button on your hair dryer, on your hair, like the hair dryer or the towel, or maybe you can even put your towel in a fridge and use it to cool it down. Okay, or a fan, my dear. Once the braids are completely cool, once they are completely cool, this side I fast forwarded the video. That is why you can see me going very fast, but I'm doing the voiceover. So working from the roots to to your way down. Now I'll finish taking it out. You can even see the curls, how the curls came out. So for the sixth or the fourth, fifth one, let's talk about styling and finishing touches. Okay, guys, gently separate the fluff and curls with your fingers to achieve the desired volume and shape. Guys, if desired, you can apply a small amount of lightweight hair oil serum. Okay, I've already applied that. Sorry I didn't show it in the video. When you have any serum, any hairspray, you can spray it to keep it nicely, guys. And there you have it, a simple tutorial on how to curl old braids. Guys, remember to always prioritize the health of your hair and take precautions to minimize the heat damage, guys. With a little patience, patience, you know, and practice, you can create beautiful bouncing curls that will breathe new life into your old braided hairstyles. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Sorry if my voice was loud. I'm trying to make it quickly, okay? Make the voice quickly so we can all go and do whatever we have to do. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you so much. Though I already said bye-bye, or I've already said goodbye, let me add this short one. So you can create beautiful bouncy curls with a little patience and practice, okay? Just take your time. Don't rush it. Don't always expect your hair to look like everybody. Yours may also bring out something good for someone to admire. So make sure you are doing it the way you want it, not how it's out there. That is how new styles come about. So, guys, thank you for your attention, and I hope you find this tutorial very helpful, okay? And there you have it, guys. A simple one. No too much anything. A simple one where the heat will not go near your natural hair and stuff. So guys, enjoy, okay? I'll be bringing more video like this in the future, so please don't forget to subscribe so you can see more. Thank you and bye.